All right, so the last part of 5.3 is looking at if rates are proportional. So as we said before, we can check if rates are proportional by making sure we're consistent. So we're going to have the same units of measure in the numerator and the denominator. So in this example, they're asking, is $5 over 15,000 colognes the same as $27 over 81,000 colognes? So cologne is actually a currency which is used in Puerto Rico. And so to do this, we're going to do it the same way we did our equivalent proportions before. As long as our units are consistent, we can just do that cross product. So we're going to ask, does 5 times 81,000 equal, question mark, 15,000 times 27 here? And so we get 405,000 equals 405,000. So yes, those rates are equivalent. So let's take a look at another. So we've got a 12-foot piece of steel, which weighs 27.6 pounds. If 57.5 pounds is the weight of a 25-foot piece, do the pieces have the same density? Now, density is a measure of pounds per volume usually. So here, what they're looking for is the pounds per feet. So we want to make sure we're consistent with our units. So in our first example here, we have 27.6 pounds per 12 feet. And so we're asking, is that proportional to, now careful here, because they were a little tricky and they put it in the other order, but we want pounds on the top. So 57.5 pounds per 25 feet. So now we're asking, are these two fractions proportional? So we're going to use the cross product. We have consistent units on the top and bottom. So we can just draw this X and we can say, does 27.6 times 25, does that equal 12 times 57.5? Okay, and so I'm going to grab my calculator for this one. So we've got 27.6 times 25, and I get 690. And what do we get on the right-hand side? 12 times 57.5. And I also get 690 there. So in this case, yes, they are proportional, which means they have the same density.